Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back with another video. This week we will talk about toothbrushes. Well, to be more specific, we will talk about the Philips Sonicare ProtectivClean 5100 electric toothbrush. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little story. Like most people, I started with a little manual toothbrush like probably everyone else did. But after I finished university and I started working and I got some money and I got lazy, I was looking for a new cool electric toothbrush. Now, I went on Amazon and typed in electric toothbrush and I got like 1 billion results. And it had all kinds of different specifications, brush head movements, cleaning programs, and whatsoever. But don't worry folks, I got you. After this video, you will know all about the Philips Sonicare ProtectivClean 5100 electric toothbrush. Now, let's start. First of all, this toothbrush is definitely in the upper class of electric toothbrushes with about $100. It comes with the electric toothbrush, to which we will get shortly, one extra toothbrush head, which is attached right now, one travel case, which is actually just a little black box in which you can only fit a toothbrush and the toothbrush head. So let me show you right quick. You can put it in here, clip that in, close it, there we have it. And for last, we of course have the charging station. I don't have it plugged up right now since I'm at my desk. But normally, once it's charging, you get a little vibration and sound cue to let you know if it's charging or not. So let me think. Let's start with the cleaning programs. So this toothbrush has 3 different cleaning programs. Let's just start with the clean program. This program uses a high vibration frequency in order to get a better cleaning result. This mode has a 2-minute timer. The second mode will be the white program. This mode has a 2-minute and 30 seconds timer. The first 2 minutes you will get the normal standard clean program, which then will be followed by a 30-second polishing program. And the last program will be the gum care program. This mode will take about 3 minutes, so you will get the 2 minutes standard clean program at first, and after that the toothbrush starts a 1-minute massage cycle to clean your gum. Over here you can switch the modes, so that will be the clean, the white, the gum care, and that's the start. And by the way, this sonic toothbrush removes up to 7 times more plaque than a regular toothbrush. This mainly comes from 62,000 brush head movements. With a normal manual toothbrush, you get this amount of brush head movements in a whole month. Those 62,000 brush head movements create a fluid stream that also supporting to clean between your teeth. Now once this toothbrush is fully charged, it holds up to 2 weeks. So you can easily take this toothbrush with you on a trip. Now let's get to some more features. So this sonic toothbrush has a pressure control system. That means if you put too much pressure on your teeth, the toothbrush will vibrate to alert you that you're using too much pressure. Another feature you get with this toothbrush is the brush sync. That basically means that the toothbrush tracks the service life of your brush head and will automatically remind you to switch the brush head when it's time for a change. Now let's get to the part you are all waiting for, my opinion. So in my lifetime I tried a manual toothbrush and the electric toothbrush, and this sonic toothbrush, and judging by the feel and design, I like the most. So that thing really cleans your teeth properly. I used to have a few problems with my teeth, which was one of the reasons I bought the sonic toothbrush, and with this it got a little bit better. Now for this design, I give this product a 4.5 stars out of 5. I mean, it is still just a toothbrush and every electric toothbrush kind of looks the same. As for the functionality, I would also give this product a 4-star rating. It gets the job done better than most toothbrushes. Of course, there's a better sonic toothbrush out there for a lot more money. But I think for $100 you get the optimal cleaning results, and that's what matters. So guys, that's it for the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. It's just push that little blue thumb up and that subscribe button and it'll all be cool. So see you the next time. Bye bye.